Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $5,000, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a classic iron head-based machine, here transformed into a hardtail chopper that captures the raw, stripped-down spirit of custom American builds. Finished in black, this bike stands out with its minimalist setup and aggressive stance, making it a true bar-hopping cruiser with plenty of personality. It runs well and delivers the kind of direct, mechanical riding experience that chopper enthusiasts appreciate. While not intended for beginners, it offers a unique and engaging ride for those familiar with vintage customs. For buyers seeking a bold, no-frills Harley with attitude, this Sportster delivers both style and character. Number 2. 1965 BSA 650 Custom Chopper, $4,500, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. The 1965 BSA 650 represents classic British engineering, and this example has been customized into a chopped build that blends vintage heritage with custom styling. Its modified appearance gives it a distinctive look, while still retaining the character of the original parallel twin platform. The bike is reported to be in running condition and has received updates including new tires and carburetors, improving its usability. While showing typical wear consistent with its age and custom nature, it remains a solid and eye-catching vintage motorcycle. This BSA offers a unique option for riders interested in classic British customs. Number 3. 1980 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, $7,000, Mastic, New York. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Low Rider is an iconic cruiser powered by the well-known shovelhead engine, and this example has been transformed into a custom chopper. Featuring a hardtail conversion on the original frame and a recently rebuilt engine, it combines classic Harley performance with a bold custom presence. The frame has been powder-coated, while the paintwork maintains a simple, raw finish that fits its custom style. With its strong mechanical foundation and unmistakable stance, this lowrider is built for riders who appreciate vintage Harley performance with a personalized touch. Number 4. 1979 Kawasaki KZ750B Twin Cafe, $2,500, Ravenna, Ohio. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ750B Twin is a reliable and well-regarded platform, and this example has been converted into a custom cafe racer with a clean, sporty design. Its lightweight feel and responsive engine make it well-suited for spirited riding, while the cafe styling adds a modern edge to its vintage roots. The bike runs and rides with many new components already installed and significant investment put into the build. While it may need a few finishing details, it presents strong value at its price point. For riders seeking an affordable custom cafe project that's already well underway, this KZ750B is a solid choice. Number 5. 1979 BMW R100 RS, $5,400, Honolulu Falls, New York. The 1979 BMW R100 RS is a legendary sport touring motorcycle known for its distinctive full fairing and smooth boxer twin engine. This example shows 34,265 original miles and remains mechanically strong, making it a dependable vintage machine for both riding and collecting. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, rebuilt carburetors, updated seals, and ergonomic improvements such as different handlebars. While it shows some cosmetic wear, it remains in very good mechanical condition overall. For those seeking a classic BMW with proven reliability and touring capability, this R100 RS offers excellent value. Number 6. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH1000, $5,000, Wheatfield, Indiana. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH1000 is a classic American V-twin, and this example has been fully transformed into a custom chopper with an extensive restoration. Finished in red, it features a bold stance with extended front forks and numerous custom details, capturing the essence of vintage Harley chopper culture. The build includes a complete mechanical refresh with rebuilt engine components, new wiring, upgraded braking system, and a wide range of new parts throughout. It runs strong and is ready for cruising, shows, or rallies. With a clean title and comprehensive updates, this Sportster offers both reliability and standout custom appeal. Number 7. 1974 Honda CB750 Chopper, $5,100, Spring Hill, Tennessee. The 1974 Honda CB750 is one of the most iconic inline-four motorcycles ever built, and this example has been converted into a custom chopper using an Amen frame. With extended forks, upgraded intake and exhaust, and electronic ignition, it blends classic Honda performance with aggressive custom styling. The bike runs and rides well, delivering strong performance and a distinctive sound that sets it apart from typical builds. With many new parts and a unique setup, it offers a different take on the traditional chopper. For riders looking for a fast and visually striking custom, this CB750 stands out. Number 8. 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star, $2,000, Cincinnati, Ohio. The 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star is a classic British single known for its lightweight design and strong torque characteristics. This example presents as a solid project bike with good overall condition, including a clean seat, wheels, and tires. Its vintage styling and simple construction make it appealing for restoration. While it currently needs a wiring harness and key, the engine turns over freely, suggesting a good starting point for revival. It does not include a title, but remains an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking an affordable British classic project with strong potential. Number 9. 1975 Suzuki GT250, $2,850, Xenia, Ohio. The 1975 Suzuki GT250 is a well-known two-stroke twin, appreciated for its smooth power delivery and classic styling. This example shows just 1,711 original miles, making it a particularly low-mileage survivor. Finished in gold, it retains a clean and original appearance that adds to its appeal. The bike runs great and has been updated with new tires and tubes, with all systems reported to be functioning properly. Its oil injection system eliminates the need for pre-mixing, adding convenience to the riding experience. For collectors or riders, this GT250 offers a rare combination of originality and usability. 1963 Triumph Bonneville Chopper, $3,500, Martinsburg, West Virginia. The 1963 Triumph Bonneville is a legendary British twin, and this example has been customized into an old-school chopper that reflects classic custom culture. Its stripped-down design and vintage character give it a distinctive presence, appealing to enthusiasts of traditional builds. The bike has been sitting for over 5 years and will require some light work to return to running condition, but it is described as not needing much to get back on the road. With a clean title and solid foundation, it offers a great opportunity for someone looking to revive a classic Triumph chopper. Number 11. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 Cafe, $5,600, West Mansfield, Ohio. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 is a well-balanced inline-4 platform, and this example has been transformed into a clean cafe racer with a focused, minimalist design. The custom setup gives it a sporty and aggressive stance while maintaining the reliability these models are known for. Recent work on the tank and carburetors helps ensure it performs as good as it looks. The bike runs, rides, and stops as it should, with no current leaks and fresh maintenance, including a new valve cover gasket. While the exact mileage is unknown due to aftermarket gauges, it presents as a well-sorted custom build. For riders seeking a stylish and ready-to-enjoy cafe racer, this KZ650 offers strong appeal. Number 12. 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750, $4,875, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of its era, known for its classic parallel twin engine and timeless styling. This example shows 43,330 miles and is finished in a striking orange, presenting in very nice overall condition. Its clean look and strong running condition make it a great vintage rider. The bike runs well with everything functioning as it should, and it has been updated with new tires and tubes. It also carries a transferable Pennsylvania antique license and a good title in the seller's name. For those looking for a dependable and authentic Bonneville, this one offers a solid balance of usability and classic appeal. Number 13. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, $3,000, Brooklyn, New York. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 is a powerful inline-4 machine, and this example has been lightly customized into a semi-cafe style build. With 35,000 miles, it remains a reliable daily rider that has been consistently maintained and garage-kept. Its combination of performance and custom touches makes it both practical and visually appealing. Recent upgrades include new carburetors, a 4-in-1 exhaust system, updated lighting, and various new components throughout. The bike starts easily, runs smoothly, and performs well across all gears. For riders seeking an affordable and dependable vintage performance bike with custom flair, this KZ1100 stands out. Number 14. 1972 Triumph TR6C Trophy 650, $5,495, Malone, New York. The 1972 Triumph TR6C Trophy 650 is a classic British scrambler-style motorcycle, combining rugged capability with timeless design. This example shows 16,238 original miles and presents as a clean and well-running machine with strong vintage character. Its single-carburetor twin-cylinder engine delivers a straightforward and engaging riding experience. Equipped with features like Hagon rear shocks, a custom seat, and period-style accessories, it blends originality with subtle upgrades. The bike starts easily via kickstart and runs strong, making it suitable for both casual riding and collection. For enthusiasts of classic British scramblers, this TR6C is a compelling option. Number 15. 1975 Suzuki GT500 Titan Custom, $1,500, Manahawkin, New Jersey. The 1975 Suzuki GT500 Titan is a well-known two-stroke twin, and this example has been turned into a unique custom show bike. Featuring handcrafted details such as welded expansion chambers and custom bodywork, it stands out as a visually striking machine with strong display appeal. Its custom build gives it a distinctive presence unlike stock examples. This bike has never been run with fuel or oil, making it more of a showpiece or project than a ready rider. While it does not include a title, it offers potential either as a conversation piece or as a base for further development. For collectors interested in custom builds, this GT500 provides a creative and affordable opportunity. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle listings, from choppers to vintage icons, updated daily.